So there's a concern that lots of students have that if they are showing their ideas in class, or they're showing them to their colleagues, to their fellow students that are working on the same project, that they might be copycats, that someone might take away your idea and run with it and steal it from you. So they're holding back, they keep all their little sketches and progress work and everything to themselves, and they're very scared of sharing any of the stuff that they have done. On the one hand, students often fear to be judged on the work they have done, that it might not be good enough, but they're also scared that someone might steal that idea and take it for their own and, then get all the praise and accolades and everything. And yes, sometimes there are those stories of someone stealing your ideas and using it for their own projects in any way, in their own way. But rest assured, most of the time, your tutors will know where that idea came from. That is one thing that I can reassure you of. But also keep in mind that all the ideas, anything that you give away, will make space or give some room for new ideas to come in. And most of the time, probably 99.9% of the time, those new ideas are actually much better than that other idea that you already have. They will either enhance, improve, they will just overall make your projects more refined, more elaborate, and just overall better. So the more you actually give away, the more space you create for new things to come in, and that is a good thing. But also, if you do feel like you want to stick with your initial ideas and someone else has taken your idea and they're going with that as well, no two projects will ever look the same anyways. So take that as a chance to really strengthen the things in your project that make it unique, that are essentially very much your own signature and your own creative practice that you have. Strengthen those bits and make them your own. It will never look the same as someone else's project anyways. So don't be scared of showing your work. You think someone might steal some of your ideas. Look at design as a creative and a collaborative process to begin with, where we are actually exchanging and metabolizing all of those ideas, and only by working together we are actually making sure that we get to the best outcomes possible. I hope this is helpful. Don't worry,